Let's take a look at Jomablue Capture app. Jomablue Capture app is a product offering a quick and simple lead retrieval solution for exhibitors and sponsors on site. One person from your organisation will be nominated as a primary contact. The primary contact will receive an email sent to them by the event organiser. This email provides details on how to download the Capture app onto your device. The Capture app is available from the iOS App Store and Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, the following steps will get you on your way to capturing leads. Open the app and press Scan QR code using your device. Scan the QR code sent via the email to your primary contact. This email should be shared by the primary contact with all on-site staff requiring access to Capture. Provide a name to identify your device. This will make it easier to see which staff member is using each Capture app license. Select from a list of available licenses to activate your device. Please note only one license may be used per device. If all licenses are already activated, you can select an existing license for reuse. Approval may be required from your primary contact for a license to be activated for your device. Please note, this will deactivate the current device using this license. Next, you'll be asked to select the mode of use for the Capture app. Cloud mode is recommended in the majority of instances, provided there is cellular connectivity. Once cloud mode is selected, you will see your company profile details at the bottom of the screen. The Scan QR code button is in the middle. To capture a lead, click this button and use your device's camera to hover over the QR code printed on an attendee's name badge. Next, you can add profiling tags to the lead to support post-event follow-up. Simply type your tag and hit the return key to enter. In cloud mode, tags are synced across multiple devices, so you can now reuse tags with ease. Please note, tags are not synced in standalone mode. Once you are done adding optional tags and notes, select Capture to capture your lead. To view the leads you have already captured, select the menu icon and select View Leads. Here, you can view and add more tags and notes about your leads. Select Save once you are done. To export your leads at any time, select Export Leads from the menu. Enter the prefix for your email. You will see the email domain has already been set up for you. Click Send Email, and you'll receive an email with a link to download your lead export. When standalone mode is in use, there are a couple of important changes to note. The process to capture a lead remains the same. Simply scan an attendee's QR code, apply your tags and notes. However, in standalone mode, it is not possible to view lead details. When a lead is captured, an indicator on the home screen will tell you how many leads there are to sync. Make sure you sync these leads as soon as you have cellular connection to save these leads to your export. A green tick will indicate your leads have been saved successfully and you can export as normal. If you would like further details and information on Jomablue Capture app, please check out our support site, support.jomablue.com.